Marco.
Polo.
Oh no! Today we're gonna have a build-off with pain.
Hey, Jay. Jay. Jay.
What?
We got work to do.
Yeah, I'm playing World of Warships. Yeah. World of Warships is the free-to-play naval strategy game where you command the most iconic and famous warships from World War I and World War II, recreated with stunning detail and accuracy. Build your fleet while participating in various game types while upgrading your ship's arsenal along the way. New players who sign up using my link below will receive an exclusive starter pack to get you up and running quickly by receiving 7 days premium time, 1 million credits, 300 doubloons, and the Tier 5 premium ship, the Exeter. So what are you guys waiting for? Start sinking ships with World of Warships by heading to the description below and getting your freebies. I asked you guys on Twitter what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and you know what? To my surprise, nobody suggested this, which is why I'm doing it. So honestly, you guys are frustrated seeing all of us, spoiled, didn't work for nothing, didn't earn nothing, tech YouTubers building computers all the time because you guys can't, and so you're all mad. So I figured we could have some fun here. We have two identical setups. And we're not building the whole setup here. We're having little challenges where who can install the Ryzen or the Threadripper CPU faster, which we all know takes a lot more time than any other CPU on the market. Who can quick draw and install graphics card the fastest, or get the RAM out of the box and associated the right way and installed. But then I was like, there needs to be something more than that, because I've got probably more than double, if not quadruple, the build time experience than Nick and Phil combined. And it's like, there's gotta be some weird aspect to this. Well, we have what we call the equalizer. Not to be confused with the Denzel Washington movie, or the second one. Both great movies, you should watch them, by the way, if you're bored. We decided, what
So slick.
What does everyone think America looks like? I'm gonna build a PC crap. This is like a pros versus Joes. Nick and Phil are gonna have a rock, paper, scissors determining round to see who goes against me. I then, at the start of each round, have to spin this wheel. You can't really see it, but one of these actually say blindfolded. The chances of me landing on it are actually quite high, because when it said slap yourself, I slapped myself 4 times. But yeah, so we were inspired. You mentioned the Corridor Digital video. We were inspired by the airsoft build where you have to assemble it and shoot the guy in front of you. So that's why we have the Nerf Guns. That's why we also have the safety glasses, because let me demonstrate, if you guys are curious as to that's just a Nerf gun. It's not gonna hurt anybody. Well, Nick, move.
Okay.
Oh, safety's on. So there you go. Whoever's done first gets to shoot the other. But the other part is we have to load it. So we call it the equalizer because although I may be a faster builder than Nick or Phil, potentially, if I'm blindfolded, I'm getting shot. That's all there is to it. Secondly, Nick has a lot of Nerf experience. And I feel like if I were slightly ahead of him on something like, say, as simple as the GPU install, he could very well catch up during the load process. And we also determined that the safety has to be on because safety.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
I don't want to get shot.
So,
Hey, look, it's Nick's balls. Well, technically they're Jay's balls.
okay, so we changed the board a little bit here. So we couldn't decide how to determine who has to do what. So at the start of each round, I have to spin the wheel. And the wheel is going to determine what the activity is going to be. So we have install GPU, RAM, CPU, power supply, which we have to hook all the cables and stuff up. We have to unbox them, get them plugged in and all that sort of stuff. But there's also 2 wild cards. You guys saw the blindfolded one. There's also the other purple one that just says shoot Jay, no face. So that just means you get a free shot, just take it, and then have to spin the wheel again to land on our activity. If I land on blindfolded, I'm still screwed and have to spin again until we find an activity. If you land on shoot Jay twice, you get to shoot Jay twice, and then... No. Oh, son of a... What did I say? What did I actually say at the start of this? I just slapped myself, 4 times already?
I hope you don't enjoy seeing
You know why? It's because I said, oh, don't worry, you're getting shot.
karma.
No. Okay. No. Oh. I'm getting shot. Because they're also in the box. And we did that.
Oh, no.
And we did that so that you can't get them keyed up easily quickly. Now I'm not going to be able to just okay, just get one in and make the labels match. Oh, I just told you how to do it fast. Damn.
3, 2, 1, go.
Can we get the box?
Yes, this is Nick moving at his fastest speed possible.
Jeez.
Oh, Jay's in the lead. Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay, Nick's in the lead. Jay's sorta caught up. Alright, Nick's got 2 in. He's about to knock your ram off the table.
Done.
Ah, so Nick, shoot him! What the heck are you doing?
No.
Look at your first ram stick, dude.
Did you actually have it backwards? Oh, you do have it backwards?
Oh, I got that one right.
Yeah, you got the other side. So the other side is flipped.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Nick again.
When I gotta spin the wheel, I could be blindfolded ram again. So for the power supply, you've got and we have identical power supplies, different wattages, but they are the exact same cables, cable sets. They are still in, out the bag, wrapped up and everything.
Oh man, dude, imagine that blindfolded.
Yeah, that's why I was like really dreading that one or CPU. Only because I don't want to damage this. This is the first time we've used these motherboards. You have to have the power plug plugged in, not to anything, but at least into the power supply. And then you have to have both CPU power plugs plugged in, both PCI Express power plugs plugged in.
24 pin.
And the 24 pin, obviously.
3, 2, 1, go.
Screw tail and.
I got his first. Oh, Jay's already got his first plug in.
Oh, I don't need these.
He's moving.
This is payback.
He really. Jay's motivation is just, I want to shoot Nick back. Is that it? That's
all
it?
of them.
God damn!
It left a mark.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Call me when you're done. What? Oh, it went backwards. Oh,
Oh, the gravity match!
he was like, oh, he was already loading it too.
That's so funny.
Yeah,
3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, Nick's faster out of the box, but Jay's faster into the slot. Oh no, this isn't going good for Nick. Nick could catch up though with the gun. There we go.
Okay.
Oh!
You shot after the shot. Why I get to shoot you? Calling an audible on this one. We're about to see a Nick versus Phil. Oh, it would be CPU. 3, 2, 1, shoot. I don't think Nick's going for 3, 2, 1 for loosening, which is the proper method.
Oh, whoops. Open 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you're right.
So who's gonna get open first? Oh, by the way, if you damage the pins on the board, you have to buy me a new board, even if it's the one that has the missing transistor or resistor. Oh, Nick's already got a socket open.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this.
Oh boy.
Oh wow, this is not going well.
Just pull it up.
Oh, you just pulled it up. I thought you pushed
Nick's
it.
putting the CPU down. This is the part though where some people get hung up. Phil's catching up. He's tightening. It's gonna be a close one.
Remember, that's the torque.
Yep, you have to go until it clicks.
Oh jeez.
Nick's on his second screw.
Oh, I'm screwed. Literally.
All right, Nick's got the second one torqued. Phil's on his second screw. Nick's on the third.
This is so janky.
Oh, Nick's got to check all three. He's got the last one now. He's tightening.
Oh,
He technically tightened them in the wrong order, but
we both slipped at the same time. All right.
oh. Okay, here we go.
Where's my ball?
Safety. Okay. Oh! I think we need a photo replay or a video photo finish on that one. I backed up because, oh my goodness, both of you had safeties on.
That was close.
So since I dodged it, which you're not really supposed to do in a duel.
GPU round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Here we go again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Mother.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oh, I had the safety on.
You had the safety?
My ball flew out. Because I went, I didn't even push it back all the way.
Yeah, Jay,
Man, it hit above my nipple.
Jay put a dent in the block.
Because I was like, I don't know how that resistor came loose.
If he gets 3 seconds or higher, shoot him immediately. Go. 2.19.
Oh, nice.
I would also like to point out that my finger is not on the trigger because I'm not ready to shoot.
Is your safety on though?
I don't know. Nope.
Go. Nope.
Done.
All right, so before we leave, we're gonna have a blindfolded Marco Polo match.
I'm gonna be calling Marco. They're gonna be calling Polo and shooting each other. Hey! Try to make a video here. Marco.
Polo.
He bounced off the thing and hit me.
Okay, that doesn't count. Keep going. Ooh, that's smart to reload without. Marco.
Polo.
Ooh, that was close. Marco.
Polo. Polo. You shot my arm.
Oh, you got me! This is like the lamest Metal Gear Solid thing ever. Marco.
Polo.
Miss. Marco.
Polo. Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Oh, you shot me.
Look at the position Jay was in. Dude, look at that power stance.
Dude, I was just like, that's it.
Yeah.
Marco.
Polo.
Don't. Wrong player. Marco.
Polo.
Oh no.
He got me in the chin.
You barely missed him too.
And I like mouthed him because I was laughing already. And then freaking, dude, imagine if I ate the ball.
Okay, so there we go. That was our little fun idea of just having a pros versus Joes with a little bit of a
It deteriorated.
incentivizer to.
It deteriorated to the end because we just want to shoot each other.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
It's like,
Until Phil got shot in the mouth and almost went in down. I would be doing Heimlich maneuver on video, and we don't want that. So anyway, if you guys are gonna do this, use your proper safety equipment and Nerf guns, and not
make sure
real
you know where
ones.
the safety is.
Don't use real ones for this. That's bad.
Clearly.
I don't know what else to say. We got a mess to clean up now. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other suggestions for dumb videos we could do while we all wait for parts to go back to normal, like I said, nobody suggested this one, which is why I think it went so well. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. I shoot in honor of my wife.
What do you shoot for, Sir Nick? Dun dun dun.
No.
He dropped his gun. Drop.
Oh, I got him in the tip.